Welcome to a new series I like to call What's in a Label. Before we get into it, hi, I'm Natasha. I'm an attorney. I talk all things advertising. If you want me to review your packaging for compliance, schedule a call with me. Go to theadvertisinglawyer.com. So I'm just going to do a little breakdown of what different words on a label mean and if they are regulated or not regulated. So let's just start with non-GMO verified, this U symbol, which is kosher, and then this upcycled certified. These are all third-party certifications. So these have been certified by third parties to do what they're claiming. There's no GMOs, this is kosher, and some of the ingredients are upcycled. The next claim is no sugar added, which is right on the front, and that is actually a regulated term by the FDA. And what this means is that no amount of sugars or ingredient that contains sugars that substitute for added sugars is added during the processing or packaging. So that would be something like honey. The product cannot contain added sugar such as jam, jelly, or concentrated fruit juice. Another requirement is that the food must normally contain added sugar. So in this case, jams and jellies typically contain some sort of added sugar, and so that meets the requirements. And then there's a requirement that says that it needs to have a statement that the food is not low calorie or calorie reduced and directs people to the nutrition facts panel, which this actually does not. Another claim on here is that this is a superfood fruit spread. And so let's talk about what superfood means. There is no regulated definition for superfood. So companies usually have some sort of data to show that they can say that this is a superfood. In this case, they probably are saying that the berries in this mix are superfoods because of the benefits that they confer on the body. But there is no regulated definition for what a superfood is. And then on the back, it says, taste the fruit, skip the sugar. No weird stuff, just super natural ingredients. Skip the sugar could be considered a no sugar claim, which there are sugars in the product. There's just no added sugar. So that's interesting. No weird stuff could mean anything. It could mean no ingredients that you can't pronounce. It could mean no artificial chemicals. So there should be some reason that the company is saying that. I've talked about natural before. It's ripe for class action because natural doesn't have a regulated definition and it's what a consumer would consider natural. So in this case, there's only a handful of ingredients. It might be considered natural because of the lack of chemicals. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the follow button and let me know if you have any other questions or if there's any label that you want me to review next time.